Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a great day. Today we're making a very unique dish. In our area we call it Beef Nirvana. Inspired by Chef Suresh Pillai Fish Nirvana, I created Beef Nirvana in my own unique way, which is tender beef cubes marinated in spices and poached in a banana leaf wrap sauce infused with green chilies, ginger, and coconut milk. My guests were simply amazed by this curry. You too should try this recipe at least once in your life. For this recipe, we need fresh banana leaves. I bought these from a local supermarket. Now we need to heat the leaf to make it firm. Today, I am hosting a small get-together, so I am using 2 kilos of beef. I will be making all these dishes, but for this video I have only recorded the recipe for Beef Nirvana. Now we will move on to the first step, marination of the beef. Two full lemons. 3/4 tablespoon salt, 1½ tablespoons black pepper powder, a ½ tablespoon fennel seeds powder, a ½ tablespoon cumin seeds powder, a ½ tablespoons garam masala, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, ¾ tablespoons turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, a handful of curry leaves, mix thoroughly. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Now let's cook the beef. Add 1½ tablespoon coconut oil to a pressure cooker. Add the marinated beef. Keep in mind that no water is added to cook the beef. For me, the beef got ready with 3 whistles, but it may vary with the type of beef. For me, the beef got ready with 3 whistles. Make sure the beef is not overcooked, as there are 2 more cooking stages to be completed. Luckily, ours came just right. Next, let's fry the beef. Make sure to save the beef stock for later. Now we are in the final stage of the recipe. Place a banana leaf in a pot like shown. I used a deep fry pan, but it's best to use an earthen pot. 1½ cup thick coconut milk, add some of the beef stock we kept aside earlier. Add 200 grams shredded shallots, (10 to 12 green chilies), 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1½ medium-sized onions, a ½ cup thick coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. A handful of curry leaves. Add some more beef stock. One teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Place another piece of banana leaf on top and cover it with a lid. Cook for 5 minutes. Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes, till the tomatoes melt. It's ready, let's serve it. Now can you see why my guests love this curry so much? Comment down below when you try this recipe.